So it's true. You cheated on me?
Maya, please. It was a mistake.
You say what?
Oh, come and buy your Christmas chicken, no? Fresh, strong, the type that can chase your neighbor if they owe you money.
Madam, how much for this small one?
This tool that I'm about to share with you uses the VEO 3.1 to create stunning AI videos, and it's absolutely for free. You don't need to register, you don't need to log in, no watermarks, and no limit. I mean, just your unlimited video generation. Do me a quick favor, smash that like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I'll respond to them. If you stick to the end of this video, I have a bonus for you. If you take a look at this website, you can see here, create stunning AI videos instantly. And you don't need to register on this website. You don't need to sign up or log in. You just access it like this and you are able to access all the features that are available on the website. So you can create quality videos here. And on this website, as you can see, instant generation, high quality output. And it says 100% free forever. No hidden cost, no subscription fees, no watermark. It is completely free to use for everyone. And it uses the VEO 3.1 model. It's available anywhere you are, whether you're in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, you can access this website. So all you just need to do is to describe your video, copy and paste. Just type or paste your video idea or script or your concept, and to go ahead and generate it for you. So to get started, you click on this Start Generating Videos, either here or right on top. Generate video now. You click on it. And here you have two options, either to use the text to video or the image to video option. So let's say we are using the text to video. Under the text to video, we have the video description box where you're going to be pasting your prompt. So as you can see here, describe the complete video scene you want to create. Be specific about your scenes, action, style, and mode for best result. Here you're going to describe vividly how you want your video to be in terms of the characters, the outfits they're going to be putting on, and what they're going to be saying, right? So right here, we have the aspect ratio. We have three options here, 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1, which is square. So I'm going to try the text to video feature. I'll just paste my prompt right here. Create a short dramatic scene featuring young couple in their 20s, standing in a small dimly, and that's it. If you want this particular prompt so you can test it or you model it, please let me know in the comment section. Just type prompt in the comment, right? So under the aspect ratio, we'll just choose the landscape and then we'll click on generate. Before you click on generate, if you take a look at what we have here, try an example. That's the product demo. Let's say you want to market a product. You can try that just to see how it works. You can try the nature scene, try the character animation and the food content feature, all right, just to see how these features work on this website. So I'm going to click on generate VEO 3.1 video right now. So you can see it's queued for processing and we're going to wait for it to generate. Although it's saying here that video generation takes 4 to 8 minutes, trust me, it's not up to that. It's not even up to 1 minute. So we'll just wait a bit for that to generate. But the video is ready and it wasn't even up to 1 minute, right? So let's play the video and let's see how it looks.
So it's true. You cheated on me?
Maya, please. It was a mistake.
You say what?
Can you see that? So I'm going to try one more demo under the text to video. It's the same way I generated the video you watched at the beginning of this video. Just give your video description, put your video description right in this box, how you want it and all of that. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to write your own prompt so you can easily generate your own video description yourself. So we also have the image to video feature here. Here you can upload a reference image. If you have an image of the characters you want to use, you can upload it right here and then you give it the motion description. You click on image to video and then right here, you click to upload a reference image. So I already have an image I want to use. I'll just click on upload, photo library, and then I pick the image I want to use. I'm going to be using this particular image. One thing about this image to video feature is It allows you to have control over your characters. That is, you must have generated your images, especially when it comes to consistency. Like you want to create a story video and you want your characters to be consistent. So you can go ahead to Google Whisk and create your consistent characters. Then you come over to this website to animate them and even lip sync the characters to your dialogue. Now, under the motion description, I have this prompt which I'm going to paste right here. Look at it. The prompt is using the provided reference images to animate a dramatic wedding scene and all of that. I also have the dialogue part where the characters will be saying these lines of words. And then I'll keep the aspect ratio on 16:9. And then I go ahead to click on generate VEO 3.1 video. As promised, I said I was going to give us a bonus, and this is what I want to show you. I want to show you how you can generate your prompt. Somebody asked this in one of my recent videos, asking how to write your own prompt yourself, you know. So what you do is you head over to ChatGPT. So I'm just going to share my conversation with you so you see how it works, how I got the prompt for one of those demos you watched. So I said, give me a short dialogue of a young couple about the man cheating on the woman. Make it very short. It's a demo for a YouTube video. That's actually in my own case. So you could take off that part. Now look at the dialogue scene. We have Maya Tunde and all of that. So I now told it to put it in form of a text to video prompt that I can copy and paste for an AI tool. So, and that is what it gave me right here. Can you see that? Create a short dramatic scene featuring a young couple in their mid-20s standing in a small living room. The mood is tense and emotional. Soft evening lighting. The woman looks heartbroken. The man looks guilty and nervous. Show subtle facial expressions and close-up shots. So you can see the dialogue. Maya, so it is true. You are with her. Tunde, Maya, please, it was a mistake. So, actually modified it according to how I wanted. So I just modified it this way. I said, woman, so it's true. And I added the subs. You cheated on me, subs more. And I said, man, Maya, please, it was a mistake. And the woman, you say what? Angrily in brackets. I was just telling ChatGPT, I want it this way. So all I did was I copied what it gave me right here and I modified it to how I want it. So while you're doing your modification, confirm the style of video you want, the characters. You can put it there. If you want Nigerian characters, just state it. You can say featuring a young Nigerian couple, state it. If you want their dressing, if you want to state their outfit, please state it, or you leave ChatGPT to do all of that for you. And this was what it gave me after I sent that. It just gave me this, and that was what I copied and I pasted to create the one of the demos. So this is another one. I said, create a funny script of a woman selling chicken. And I said, it's almost Christmas. And then he gave me this. It's all about your conversation with ChatGPT. Just tell ChatGPT what you want. Like, as you can see here, it gave me the title, the scene. And, come and buy your Christmas chicken, fresh, strong. The type that can chase your neighbor if they owe you money. That was a funny one. And then the customer says, Madam, how much for this small one? So I just copied the upper part and, look at it. I pasted it that this is exactly what I want. Give me the prompt for this for a text to video too. And it gave me that, it even described the character's outfits, wearing a colorful Ankara wrapper, a red head tie, and a yellow apron. She gestures vividly while talking. So, that's it. And I copied, and that was what I pasted right there. Make ChatGPT your friend. Just tell it what you want, and there is nothing you cannot create once you give ChatGPT the instruction. If you found value in this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe if you're yet to join us here. Here you get detailed tips on how to use several AI tools, and most especially for free. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in our next video.